I mean, something like a fan being able to rank themselves as the number one or number two fan, and the ability of Disha to see if who the top fans are is something which is unique about this. And of course, all the social handles, everything that is part of Disha's world is going to be in the app.
Thank you so much. So kind. Actually, it's a pleasure for me to be a part of this beautiful app. I always talk to all my fans on Insta, and I have many groups actually in Insta where you have these young kids who are like 16, 17, and they're talking to me about their exams, they're talking to me about their life and how they're struggling, the teenage. So for me, it's such a brilliant thing that I'm getting a platform where I can actually talk to them one-on-one, because sometimes it's difficult. These websites like Insta or Facebook doesn't allow me to go onto that level, because you have so many pages, you have so many people on Insta. So sometimes it's really, you don't actually realize who are the important ones and who are actually your real fans. So it's giving me a platform. It's going to be much more private. And I'm also going to be uploading all the exclusive pictures and videos and behind the scenes. So that's going to be fun. We also have a lot of cool contests. So, through contests, we can also make sure, these are the top 3 ranking fans. And I would love to meet them as well. So we have a lot of cool concept, and I'm really excited. And I'm very happy that I'm a part of it. And I'm actually doing something like this because this would give me a closer reach to my fans and actually friends. I don't want to call them fans, friends. So yeah.
For the first time that you will see in this app that somebody who comes into the app, a fan who comes into the app, or a friend, like Disha said, comes into the app, they gain something out of it. So there is a virtual currency mechanism inside the app. So the more time that you spend inside the app, the more virtual currency you are gaining, and then you can use that virtual currency to rank yourself as the top fan or win contests, which does not happen in any other social platform. So that's a very unique thing. You are actually giving love back to the fans who support you so much. So that's what's going to be a big thing.
I think it depends from person to person. If I am launching an app, मेरे पे बहुत responsibility है that I have to make sure that I talk to them, because what's the motive of the app? If I can't take out time for people who are actually loving me so much and giving me so much love, then it won't work. End of the day, it's all about interaction and knowing those people who love you so much and support you. So I think it depends from person to person, how much time you give, how much love you give, you'll get it back. But sometimes I feel, okay, I'm only speaking to people who are my fan clubs. So right now, I don't know, okay, someone who can't make a fan club right now won't have that reach, because I won't know that that person also takes me as an idol or is a crazy fan of mine. So I'm still doing the same. I think, yeah, it's a bigger responsibility for sure, but I have a team for that. So that's why I have a big team, I have a responsible team. So I think that will be helpful.
And responsibility is a very correct word that Disha is using. Somebody who can get in 6 hours, 7.5 lakh views, certainly has a lot of responsibility. Absolutely, there is no doubt about it. For it was a very easy decision to actually approach Disha and say let's do this app, because I mean, it's very clear. I don't think I need to explain. She is the future.
Hi Disha. Yeah.
I think the only time मैं जब nervous या डरती हूँ, जब मैं खुद कुछ लिख रही होती हूँ, I have to always make sure कि कुछ गलत ना बोल दूँ, because sometimes what I want to say is different from what I write. एक confusion हो जाता है, लोग misunderstanding हो जाती है. So I think that's the only time when I'm scared. But otherwise, it doesn't matter to me. I think India has the freedom of speech. So, see, anybody's idea is not the fact. If I'm writing down something and this is my idea or this is my imagination, it won't be a fact. So if I start taking it so seriously that, okay, this person thinks like that of me or whatever, and if I take it as a fact that this is me, and I take it as a reality that whatever this person is saying about me is me, but it's not the fact. So it's fine. I do respect everyone who have opinions about me. That's fine, but it doesn't affect me because I know that's not the fact, because people might not know me so personally. When you have these kind of people on social media sometimes who really write, I can't even express in words, बहुत खराब कुछ लिख देते तो आपको लगता है कि ये इंसान को मुझे अभी ब्लॉक करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा होता है. I think that's a normal thing. We all do that.
So
Thank you so
much.
much. Thank you.